Stay in the middle of the road, not much to show, underachieving average Joe. But I'm a heck of a lover, a dang good brother, and I wear this heart on my sleeve. That might not mean much to you, but it does to me. Hey everyone, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Does to Me by Luke Combs on his new album, which is so good. So I'm sure you've all listened to it a bunch. If you haven't, make sure you do. Okay, so everyone who's already subscribed to my channel, I'm so grateful. I really do appreciate it a lot. And then to everyone who, if this is like your first time, if you haven't seen one of my videos before, or if you have seen them and you just haven't subscribed, I'd ask you to subscribe just so you know you can be notified when I come out with new ones. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so it'll notify you. And then, yeah, lastly, just hit the like button if you enjoy the video, okay? So let's get into it. This is a great song by Luke Combs. One of the great things is there's no capo on it, and it's standard tuning, so nothing special needed. It's just one of those raw guitar songs, okay? The chords you are going to use for the song, you're going to use C, okay, so C, and you're going to use G. I never use this G in the song. You can, but I never do. It's just very easy to switch to that. You're also going to use F, okay, like that, F. And then you are also going to use A minor, okay, and you're going to use A minor 7, which for that you just lift off your middle finger, your ring finger, and you just do the other ones, okay? So that's A minor 7, okay? I believe that's it. So I'll show you the order that they go in, okay? So at the beginning of the song, the intro is the same as how the verse starts. So it's C, F, C, G, okay? So an easy way to switch from C to F is you just go C, and then you're just going to leave this your ring finger on, but you're going to put your pinky on like you're doing F, and move your middle finger back one and bar. If you can't bar, you actually kind of don't need to. Just put your finger on the top there, like that. So you don't need to be playing all of them. You can, all right? And you'll just strum the top like 4 strings, 4 or 5, okay? Okay, it'll sound better if you bar it, but you don't have to. That's just a little cheap trick for you, okay? To reference an old band. So, okay, so yeah, you'll start with, and the strumming for the verses is going to be, okay, so you see that? So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, and that's how it's going to be for most of the song, I believe. Okay, so the verse you start with C. You're going to do, I was a 3rd string dreamer on a 2nd place team. I was hell on wheels with a full head of steam. See, so that's that. Just like we were talking about, C, F, C, G. And then you're going to do it differently here. Then after full head of steam, you're going to do it when coach put me in. So that's when you go to A minor, put me in, and then back to F. And I'm still proud. Proud is G. Proud of that hit. And then you go to hit is C, okay? So that's the whole first verse. Remember that. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, that's the whole thing. So then you go through the verse, and then you're going to end the verse with it's just going to be that same thing. It's going to be F. That might not mean much to you, but it does to me. Okay, so you're going to kind of like do that to build up into it. You're just going to do up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that might not mean much to you, but it does to me. Say in the middle. Okay, so that's how you transition into it. You'll do the C for longer, like that. Okay, then you're going to go into the chorus is going to be F. Okay, so it's going to be F. All right, and then G, and then C, A minor, and that's a super easy transition because all you do is lift off your ring finger and leave the other ones on. So it's going to be A minor 7, and then A minor, which is also a very easy transition. And then you're going to start over and do the same thing. But when you end the chorus, you're going to do F, G, C. Whenever you do, that might not be much to you, but it does to me, that's F, G, C. So let's go through it once because the chorus is super short, so it's very easy to do. Okay, so you'll do, start with F. Say in the middle of F, G, C, A minor 7, A minor, F, G, C, A minor 7, A minor, F, G, does to me, C. Okay, that's the whole song, super easy, okay? So I'm gonna walk you through just the chorus. I'll sing it and I'll try and keep it so you can see my hands, but the strumming pattern is the same there. It's a very, very easy song, okay? So it's probably one of Luke Combs' easier songs. So, say in the middle of a road, so that's F. Middle of a road, not much to show, underachieving an average Joe. But I'm a heck of a lover, a dang good brother, and I wear this heart on my sleeve. It might not mean much to you, but it does to me. Okay, that's the whole song. Then you go into the second verse, then you do the next chorus, then you do the third verse. There's no bridge in this song. It's just very easy. When you do play the third verse, which is the Eric Church part, you'll want to strum much softer. You can still do the same strumming pattern, but you're going to be way quieter, like almost like that. Or you could actually just do single strums and just go. Okay. In fact, I would probably do the latter, but that's up to you. But nonetheless, you're going to want to be softer for that part. So that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, or if you have any other songs you'd really like me to teach next. And I can't promise that I'll get to it or that I'll do that next, but I will do my best. So, all right, thanks guys. I'll see you next time.